In our ongoing study of Earth's most perplexing creatures, we now examine perhaps their most disturbing behavior: voluntary daily imprisonment. Every morning, at precisely the same time, humans engage in mass migration toward towering concrete structures. Like moths to flame, they seem irresistibly drawn to these architectural prisons. The journey itself is a marvel of masochism. Humans voluntarily pack themselves into metal containers, pressed against strangers, breathing recycled air. Conditions that would make any zombie weep tears of joy for their natural outdoor shambling. Upon arrival, humans willingly separate themselves into individual rectangular cells. These cubicles restrict movement to roughly 6 square feet, smaller than most zombie graves. Yet humans seem content with this spatial limitation. For 8 consecutive hours, humans stare into glowing rectangular devices, occasionally pressing small buttons with their fingers. Zombie researchers initially theorized this was a form of meditation, but the stressed expressions suggest otherwise. Periodically, humans gather around water dispensing stations to emit rhythmic mouth sounds at each other. This small talk appears to serve no survival function, yet they perform it religiously multiple times daily. Most mysteriously, humans regularly congregate in chambers where they stare at each other, while one individual makes noise with their mouth for extended periods. Everyone nods occasionally, though it's unclear if they're actually listening or experiencing micro-seizures. At midday, humans consume sustenance while remaining imprisoned in their cells. Unlike zombies, who eat fresh brains in scenic graveyards, humans prefer stale plant matter consumed in fluorescent-lit confinement. Transportation between levels requires entering vertical moving chambers where humans stand motionless, avoiding eye contact, and stare at illuminated numbers. This elevator behavior suggests humans may actually fear each other more than zombies do. Bafflingly, some humans voluntarily extend their daily imprisonment beyond the standard sentence. They remain in their cells long after others have escaped, apparently competing to see who can endure the most suffering. Recent human evolution has produced a subspecies that recreates the prison experience in their own dwellings. These remote workers demonstrate Stockholm Syndrome by building their own cubicles at home. After approximately 40 years of this behavior, humans celebrate their retirement with cake and tears of joy, suggesting they were aware the entire time that this was, in fact, voluntary torture. Compare this to zombie work culture. We shamble when we feel like it, eat when we're hungry, and conduct meetings through interpretive moaning. No cubicles, no schedules, no glowing rectangles. Just pure, efficient, undead productivity. Perhaps someday, humans will discover what zombies have always known. True freedom comes from embracing decay and abandoning the illusion of corporate structure. Until then, we can only watch in horror as they voluntarily cage themselves, day after day, year after year.